Guys, I spotted this, and I had to go for my camera. Like, wow. I'm wondering if this is for real. Like, this is a bucket with a banana tree. Hold on there. Look, guys, is not that a sucker I am seeing? Which I know eventually I'm going to have to take out the sucker, because then I wouldn't want the plant to be focusing on that. But like, I was not expecting to see that, at least not anytime soon. Like, that is a sucker coming up. Oh my word. See, I'm not trying to disturb it, but wow, that's all I can say. Wow. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Look at my neighbor's mango tree. Loaded. Luckily, I have been so blessed to be getting some. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and a special shout out to you, my members. The sweet sap tree right here has been putting on a lot of blooms. I even see sweet sap right here. You can't see them, but there are little ones on there. So today I am showing you highlights of the garden. Tiny compact space gardening. So I've gotten these tomato cages for my tomatoes coming up, and they're coming up nicely. I am about to harvest these peanuts and put them to cure. Lovely. I am going to let it cure for about 2 weeks. So let me just rest them on this barrel over here. I'm blending up these eggshells to add to the base of my tomatoes to give them that extra calcium. Truly ain't the smell, but I'm doing it for my plants. Now this could be blended a little bit more, but this is still good enough. So let's add some to these too, just to show you how I do it. I am going in close to the roots a little, trying not to cause any damages. Last evening, I put together this trellis for my cucumbers that are right here, but it's not sturdy at all. We'll have to redo it. I am about to move this orange and ackee tree from here. This is where they are now. And this is where these other fruit trees are now. They are doing so well. Who remembers this banana sucker? It is progressing so very well. Look at it, guys. I've moved the corns forward to accommodate the containers for the dragon fruits around here, and adjusted the lemon containers right here. Guys, I took out the pumpkin from here. I am just doing away with it. So I have these little corns right here that I'm going to get. Don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh at my corns. So I am going to, I want to get rid of the plants outside of the container. So I am just going to take them off and see what I get from it. So I know they're not really, that much, or they didn't turn out that well. But I am just grateful for anything that I get. And that's how I react to things in my garden. So let me get them. I'll show you. And then I will wash them off because they're filled with hands. I'll strip them and show you. So these are they, guys. Filled with hands and everything. I'm just going to strip them off, wash them off, and show you what I got from them. So these containers I'm going to use for something else. I'm going to use buckets to plant my next set of corns. So I really need these containers. So let me wash them off and I'll be back with you. So these are what I got, guys. These are my corns. I am still grateful. This one I don't know what is happening, but I'm going to pick out the few that is good. I can't even try this to plant again because I'm telling you, these are really, really sweet. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. By the way, did I tell you guys these are sweet corns? Look at this one. So this one doesn't look bad at all. But like I said, I am going to use buckets. I know they will do much, much better. Sometime coffee, sometime tea. So I wasn't going to wait on these to see what becomes of them, because I got to get the garden moving. All right, so I'm just going to get the tomatoes as well. The cherry tomatoes. I am constantly setting up the garden because right now my aim is bringing my garden to a stage where it is very sustainable. So I am just trying to do a lot more and a lot better. If I can reach this one. All right. So as you can see, I have a lot of cherry tomatoes. Some of them on there, they are not ripe as yet. I'm giving them maybe 2 more days. 2 more days. Once they turn, I'm going to get them. I'm giving them about 2 more days to a stage where I can pick them off, because I really need to take them out. I'm telling you, the sweet corn taste is really, really good. Very, very sweet. Accidentally picked this one. I have a few peppers down here as well. You're not coming off. Alright. So that's that for that little harvest right here. It's like a mulberry. So sweet. So sweet. So sweet. So yeah, I want my callaloo to start growing fresh. So I'm going to cut it down to around down there. I'm going to cut off these branches as well. Let them go back fresh. So I've taken out the currants out of the containers. And I put those containers over here. So I'm going to use those over here. And I already had holes in the bucket. So I put holes in these buckets that I'm going to use for the corns. Look guys, I am getting sweet pepper or bell pepper. It's been a while. Guys, um so Marie from Farming on the Rocks, she sent me some goodies. No, I was aware that she purchased some seeds for me when she went abroad the other day. And for those of you who follow her as well, you would have known because she did a video when she was buying seeds. And she picked up some for me, some for Soraya and Natalia from Blessing from the Garden. So she did not only send seeds, and that is why I am so elated. I am so surprised because she got me a separated pruning shear. She got me a pruning shear as well. And this is long overdue. I had one in my cart from when, and I just didn't check it out. So Marie actually saved me a few dollars by getting me one. So I don't have to get one anymore. Thank you so much, Marie. I sincerely appreciate it, my darling. All right, so she sent these as well. I think these are chocolate pepper. Let me try it and say, you're crazy? Nope, 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 nope. I'm not walking in Marie's footsteps. I'm not going to taste. But I think these are chocolate peppers, right, Marie? Correct me. Well, I know you will correct me. All right. So these are the seeds that she sent me. But just before we get to the seeds, look, guys. Mangoes. Remember the other day when you saw Marie picking mangoes when she literally went up in the tree herself? Some of those mangoes were for me. Yes, me. So she sent me all of these mangoes. And I've been wanting to come out here for the past few minutes so that I can have my mangoes and tell Marie thanks a lot. So those are my mangoes. And all right, so let me get into this. Marie, thank you so much. This is a very pleasant surprise. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so the seeds. All right, wrap them nice too, you know. All right, so these are Royal Burgundy bush beans. See right there? At time I needed this. I have one piece of thyme right there beside me, and I have another one that is struggling around there. I needed these. Thank you so much, Marie. Seeds are so hard to get here in Jamaica, so when you get some seeds and get some unusual ones as well, then you can understand the excitement and how grateful and appreciative I am right now of these seeds, and this is sweet California Wonder pepper. All right, so this is what we call in Jamaica sweet peppers. All right, and this is Bentley cabbage. Thank you so much. Zucchini. I've never been successful with zucchini, and I recently sowed some seeds the other day. They haven't sprouted as yet, so I'm going to sow these first thing in the morning. And these are broccoli. I also sowed some broccoli. Nothing yet. I'm going to sow some of these as well. Thank you so much again, Marie. And this is cantaloupe heart of gold right there. All right. And sweet corn. Early sun glow hybrid sweet corn. I am definitely going to plant some of these sometime this week. So these are all my goodies from Marie from Farming on the Rocks. Once again, guys, run on over. Check out their content, guys. You will love it over there. All right. So, all right. Thank you so much again, Barry and Steve. I sincerely appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do it and you did it. And I am forever grateful. Thank you so much. All right. And I also got some red callaloo or red amaranth seeds from Blessings from the Garden. Thank you so much, ladies. So Saraya and Latoya, they sent me some red amaranth or red callaloo seeds. I am so excited, and I'm also going to sow these first thing in the morning, God's willing. So also, guys, check them out. That's Blessings from the Garden. That's Saroya and Latoya, and also little Jojo over there in Kingston. All right, so now is the time. Guys, you know, if I would be away to eat one of these mangoes, couple minutes. Well, let's dive in. Sweet. Guys, many kids them just devour the mango them. Will literally just devour all of the mango them. They are very sweet. Thank you so much again, Marie and Steve from Farming on the Rocks. So that's it for today, guys. And until next time, walk good. Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica, with inspirational farming videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.